Hi guys. Welcome to Talent Tech. Today we are learning create new document. Well, now we are going to a lesson. Step 1. Open Photoshop. Launch Photoshop from the desktop or start menu. Step 2. Go to File Menu or press Ctrl+N, CMD+N on Mac. A dialog box will appear. Step 3. Set document properties. 1. Name, let's say my first design. 2. Width, 1920 pixels, height, 1080 pixels. 3. Resolution, 72 or 300, explain difference. 4. Color mode, RGB color. 5. Background contents, white or transparent. Step 4. Presets. Explore options like web, print, mobile, etc. Step 5. Create the document. Click Create. The new blank canvas opens. If you have any questions, send message or enter the comment box. Thank you for sharing and subscribe.